Behavior modeling is the final demonstration-based training method that we'll cover in this two-part lecture. It is based on social learning theory, which suggests we learn by observing others and the consequences of their behavior. Using this method, trainers start by providing an overview of the key behaviors that are required to complete a task, and then clearly demonstrating each one. The best behavior modeling programs also demonstrate the incorrect way to perform a behavior. Then trainees practice these key behaviors several times in a risk-free environment, usually in front of their peers, and the trainer and their peers then provide constructive feedback. Practice sessions can be filmed, and trainees can watch the film and provide additional feedback for improving how they perform the behavior. Like role plays, behavior modeling also provides opportunities for observation, interaction, practice, and feedback, but for everyone involved in the program. So it's highly effective in promoting transfer. Like the other hands-on methods, this one is useful for teaching a range of interpersonal skills. Because it involves multiple stages, this method can be time-consuming and difficult to implement effectively with large audiences. Behavior modeling also suffers from low fidelity, as it can be challenging to mimic the work environment in meaningful ways. Now that you've learned about these hands-on methods, take a look at the examples of how companies use them today on this Canvas page.